Hey there! If you're using Visual Studio Code Editor, then the keyboard shortcuts I'll show you can help you code way faster. I use them every day in my coding sessions and really make my dev life easier. I have put together an HTML example page which we can use to showcase them. Disclaimer: no code snippets were harmed during the making of this video. I think so. First of all, let's check a few of them which are related to the editor itself. To toggle the settings, you can just hit Ctrl, Ctrl toggles the inline terminal, which is great for running your development tasks or managing your servers. Ctrl B will toggle the sidebar, handy if you need more space. If on the other hand you need to focus on your code without any distractions, you can do Ctrl K, then let go, and then hit the Z key. This will put the editor into Zen mode. To exit, you can just use the same shortcut or hit the escape key twice. Instead of closing the file from the related button up here, you can just hit Ctrl W. To quickly search and open the file again, you can do Ctrl P. You can also add the Shift key in there, so with Ctrl Shift P, you will get access to an overlay where you can search and run any of the available commands. Hitting Escape will close it. Now, let's move on to the code part. You can use Shift Alt F to format your code in that file. Pretty handy. If you hold down the Control key and use the left or right arrow, you can navigate to your code faster since the text cursor moves in words now. In the same way, if you hold it while you're also holding the Shift key, then you can select text faster as well. With Ctrl/, you can comment or uncomment your code. This works in other languages too. Ctrl opening bracket will outdent your line or your selection, and Ctrl closing bracket will indent it in the same way. Ctrl Alt up or down arrows can be used to add new text cursors. Multiple of them can be helpful to edit various parts at the same time. Hitting Escape key returns the cursor back to 1. In the same way, holding down the Alt key and clicking with your left mouse button enables you to add new cursor at specific points. Shift Alt up enables you to copy a line up, and Shift Alt down enables you to copy down. The same can be done with selections, down or up. Ctrl space will bring up the drop-down autocomplete. Ctrl G can help you go to a line directly, for example 43. Ctrl D can help you select a word. And finally, one of my favorites is the Ctrl Shift L. This shortcut can help you select all instances of your current selection. This is really handy and I'm using it a lot to quickly edit multiple classes in the same file. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you found these shortcuts helpful. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more. See you on the next one. Happy coding!